Dealing with the TWAIN DSM Library DLL error in TWAIN Group app? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. To start the walkthrough for TWAIN DSM Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the TWAIN DSM Library, the TWAIN Data Source Manager. It is the unmanaged bridge between localized imaging software, Photoshop and Acrobat, and localized scanner drivers. It facilitates the selection of TWAIN-compliant devices and manages the image buffer transfer. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like TWAIN DSM Library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered TWAIN DSM library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Replacing TWAIN DSM library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If TWAIN DSM library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved TWAIN DSM library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.